Stress, the silent secret behind a noisy night. Do you have a problem with snoring? You might be surprised to find out that the stress you're experiencing is directly related to the snoring that you are doing. Whenever we are stressed out during the day, it can cause a lot of different problems for us, many of which we may not recognize. Stress is very hard on the human body, so it is certainly something that we should learn to deal with rather than allowing it to affect us negatively. Some of the things that it may do is to release certain hormones in our body which can disturb the amount of sleep that we are getting. Not only can they disturb our sleep patterns, it can cause us to snore regularly, which will further disturb these patterns. By reducing our stress levels during the day, we will help to reduce the amount of these harmful hormones that exist in our body and to get a good night's sleep. In order to get rid of our stress and to get rid of the snoring, we may need to find natural ways of relaxation. Some of the more simple ways of doing so are deep meditation, breathing exercises, and trying to think of positive thoughts whenever negative thoughts seem to surround us. It may also help if you get some exercise on a daily basis and eat a well-balanced diet. If you want some changes, start it now.